to this lesson, to this great class. We'll continue with our class titled Logo Making, how to create simple logo. So we'll be creating simple logo today using our Canva app application. There are different applications or different apps you use in creating logo, but we'll be using Canva first for a simple day. Canva and ChatGPT. Some of us are used to ChatGPT already. We know how it, but we'll be using Canva first. Then I'll do another video how to use ChatGPT. So let's go straight. You open your Canva application, which is this. You open it for it to load. You wait for it to load, and the web page or the application will open. Okay, because of network, it's taking time. Reload again. Okay, you can see the surface has appeared. Surface has come. Okay, so if you look up, I showed you the first Canva design we did. Up here, you see what would you like to do. Just notification. What would you like to create? What will you like to create? Once you enter the Canva application, you see the first thing is going to ask you. You don't have any business to do with anything here. Not that they are not useful, they are useful, they are not useless. But for today, but for what we don't have any issue to do with them today. Maybe later on your own, you can sit down and just to check about it. So remember I said we'll be doing logo design. So you click on what would you like to create. You search. Remember I said we'll be designing logo. What kind of logo? We have brand logo, we have school logo, any type of logo. But now let's go for brand logo. BRAND, brand logo. So which type of branding? Is it for fashion or clothing or perfumes or anything? Different logo, different type. So is it for logo? Is it for branding, fashion or perfume? So we'll be going for, let me say, clothing. So look for clothing brand logo. Click on it and it will appear. It will appear. So this surface that's showing is one of the logo, the simple edit logo. These ones that are made already. You can see them. You can see them flowing. So your own is to pick anyone and change the name. You just will change the name to the suitable one you have or suitable name you wish to. So and remember I said the other day, anywhere you see crown showing, some of them will be showing crown down. You see that it's showing crown. Those one that show crown is not for you. They're not for you because they are cost. They have cost. You have to pay for it. You are paying for it. So we are not paying for any one of the design we are doing now. We can't have money to subscribe, which we are calling subscription. It's either monthly subscription or weekly subscription or yearly subscription. The Canva app accept monthly or yearly. So we don't for now. You may subscribe later. You can see on my phone here. The phone I'm using actually is not my own. I didn't subscribe. But later on, if you want to subscribe to enjoy more beautiful design. So the one that is showing crown, like this one, like this one, like this ones, like these ones, other ones that show crowns are for subscription. You have to pay before you can use them. So let's go for the free free awoof. Yeah, let's put it that way. Awoof that we normally like to enjoy, most especially in Nigeria. We don't like to pay for anything, so we'll go for these ones. Let's check for beautiful ones that we can select just to edit the name and fix something else there. Remember, it's a clothing branding and clothing, the brand we want to design logo for. So we check for the one that do not have crown and at least a little bit beautiful and easy for us to select. But I think I should choose this. I may choose this. I may choose another one. This also is okay for me. Okay, let me check for another one. This one is okay. This one is also okay. This one is also okay. It's also okay. So for this one, I think now you are going to select. We have three options here. It's either we go with this, or we go with this one, or we go with this one. So let me just pick this one. So you wait for it to load, and here is it. So the name here is Larana Fashion, and we don't need it. We don't need the name. You click on the name. Remember, before that, I show you the importance of those icons down here. We have template, we have elements, we have text, we have gallery, we have brand, we have upload. Yeah, but the most important ones we need are the template, element, text, and gallery. These four things are the things needed when designing in using your Canva application. Very, very important. So now I want to change the name Larana. I click on the name. Once you click on it, the icons at the down of your phone, this area will change from elements or text. Because you click on text, you see edit, front, and what have you. All of them has their importance. So you click on edit. The name I'll look for simple name. Let me use my name, MJ. You edit it, sorry, clean it away. MJ Fashion or MJ Clothing Brand. We leave it that way. You allow it to rest. Then you adjust the name to the position of the former name. You can see it, MJ Clothing Fashion. MJ Clothing Fashion. You can use any name, depends on your choice. So if you look at the name MJ Clothing, I don't like the texture or the shape or the the style of the writing. I'll click on this text style. I click on it again. I'll look for a better one. I think it's loading. Okay. Sorry, look for font. Click on font. You raise it up. There are different fonts I told you the other day. Look at this one, Landrina Solid. I think this one is better for me. You have ICT Penguit. You can also choose it, but just remember I said in the other design, when we are designing with Canva, your writing matters a lot. Your writing matters a lot. It's your text style. Some design are attractive just because of the text, not because of the color or images that were fixed in the design. Some are because of the text. So text matters a lot. If you don't know how to arrange your text in design, which means, my brother, I'm not like you are not following. You're not part of the designers or graphic designers that meant to be in this world. So look for something else. Look for beautiful write-up, beautiful text design. This free docker is also another one. I mostly use it for most of the design. We have Northwester. Northwester is also good. I think I will accept it that way. Then I leave it on. So another app, MJ clothing fashion. So even the fashion itself is okay. I may change the color, I may leave it the way it is. So this since 2000 doesn't mean anything. I may edit it and put something else. Maybe I may put my this thing there, which is your, let me say something there, your beauty. Your beauty is our concern. Our beauty is our concern. Then I click on it, adjust it. I told you that time, if you want to make some adjustments, you can use it from this blue line that is showing. The blue line has its own measurements. I can raise it up to any length and I can drag it to any length. So I'll leave it this way. Your beauty is our concern. Then I'll leave it. So also you can also adjust it using this font size. This one here. You click on it, you drag it front and back, anyhow you want it, just to position it properly. Now if you look at this logo, I think it's okay, but one or two things are missing. One, the colors may not be okay for me. So I click on your beauties and our concern. Let me change for color that is a little bit okay. I'll go to colors, look at their color, the different colors we have. You pick, you select. So I think the first color which is there before is okay. So I'll leave it that way. I'll leave it that way. I'll leave it. Then this design, this hanger we used to hang clothes, that is another brand name, that is another sign to look for brand. I may change the color, may put golden, but I don't want to put gold because everything about the design is about golden. So I'll leave it in the first color. There are also other colors you can also select for your own. Now I think this is a simple logo. Then what if I want to change this background itself? I click on this white board, I click on it, you can look at, you can see it very well. Then I look color, I may select black, I may select any color I want to. There are different colors. Yes. So remember you're using free you're on free mode. Let me put it this way: free mode. That's the simple language you understand when I mean free mode, which means you are not paying for subscription either monthly or yearly for you to design. We are designing from the application free. Nowadays other apps, when we continue the class in other parts of the class, when it comes to AI stuff, some application request for money, which means you have to subscribe. You call it subscription. But for this Canva app, your subscription is your choice. Maybe by the time you start designing, you see you have more clients, more customers are coming to your DM to design. I may now subscribe to monthly subscription or yearly, depending on your choice. So if you look at this color, none of them are, their colors are summer, because actually this Canva application on this phone is a new user. It's a new user. Do you get me? It's a new user, and because it's a new user, you can't design. You can't unless you subscribe. No features. So I'll leave it in the white, and I'll leave it this way. Then once you are done, nothing else again. It's just to click on what? Download. Remember that I show you two ways of downloading. It's either you use this one here, or you come to this place. I click here, click on it, go to download, you click on download. Your option, this place is showing PNG, you have GPG, but it's better you leave it at PNG. It's suggested. Then you click on download, then wait for it. If you want it faster, you click on it, you see docs coming on it. This little base will make it to download faster, and sometimes maybe delay from network of your phone. So anyhow you want to, just click on it, it will surely download, and it's successful. So I think that's all. So I'll be dropping assignment on what to design. It's another simple logo. I'll show you another application used in designing logo. ChatGPT is one of it. I think the next video should be ChatGPT. There are other app using logo, but that should be, we'll drop it accordingly. other applications, and you now choose the one is best for you to design or to do logo.